Namaskar. Welcome to Manage JZ India MOOCs program on principles and practices of natural farming. Entire globe is talking about climate change and focusing on climate action. Natural farming is one of the approach promoted under agriculture which aims at climate change and adaptation. Natural farming is recycling of in situ resources or judiciously done for healthy and profitable agriculture. Initially, natural farming is practiced by progressive farmers who understood the concept of natural farming. Slowly, the good practices are moving from the land to the lab, and KVKs, agriculture universities, are scientifically trying to validate the process. And many agriculture universities they have introduced courses on natural farming. Gujarat even they have started the first university exclusively to deal with natural farming sciences. At this point, we strongly feel that when the country is talking about natural farming and many stakeholders, namely farmers, scientists, extension workers, and traders, are involved in the promotion of natural farming, it is very important to sensitize them on basic principles and practices of natural farming. In this direction, Manage and JZ India, they have formulated a MOOCs program on the principles and practices of natural farming, which contains 35 chapters, which covers soil, water, pest and diseases, market, and many more aspects of production, processing, and marketing in natural farming. And these talks are delivered by the best of the best practicing farmers and best of the best scientists who deal with natural farming science. I am sure this course will reach nook and corner, all the stakeholders, and sensitize for achieving the objectives of natural farming promotion. Thank you.